Is your PS5 crashing in rest mode? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Disable certain features. When PS5 is crashing in rest mode, disable certain features. To do that, go to PS5 settings, then select System. Then navigate to Power Saving. Now adjust the power saving settings. Select Set Time until PS5 enters rest mode. Select During Media Playback. Then set it to Don't Put in Rest Mode. Next, go back and select Features Available in Rest Mode. Turn off supply power to USB ports. Method 2. Disable HDMI device link. The next thing you can do is disable HDMI settings. Head to Settings, then select System, then select HDMI. Now turn off the toggle for Enable HDMI device link. Method 3. Check for software updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings. Go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 4. Rebuild database. Next, you can rebuild database. To do that, turn off your PS5 completely, ensuring it's not in rest mode. Press and hold the power button until you hear 2 beeps. This will start the console in safe mode, which should take 5 to 8 seconds. Connect a DualSense controller using a USB cable once in safe mode. Press the PS button on the controller, then select Rebuild Database from the menu using the controller to navigate. Confirm the rebuild operation by pressing the X button on the controller. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. After completing the rebuild process, restart the console. Method 5. Reset the PS5 console. If the methods shown did not help to fix the issue, you can reset the console and then set it up as new and try to log in. But make sure you take a backup of all your important data, as resetting will delete all the settings and save data on the console. To reset the PS5 console, head to the console settings. Then select System. From System Software, go to the Reset option. Select Reset Your Console option. Confirm if prompted and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Method 6. Contact PlayStation Support. If the methods shown could not fix the issue, you can contact PlayStation Support for further assistance. State your problem and follow the instructions provided by the experts to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when your PS5 is crashing in rest mode. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Interested in the products we have mentioned? Click on the links in the description below to buy those tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.